You know, I never thought it would come to the day I'll have to make this video. I'll be honest with you, I'm struggling to make this video, and more importantly, I'm struggling to share this with you guys. Yes, sir. Your boy wearing pink. Just study that. Old school. Kangol, eh? All I recognize. Anyhow, no updates on CaribbeanPod.com. It is the end of CaribbeanPod.com. Chris, are you giving up on us? All these different comments and questions coming in, and I thought I would address it here. Now, the reason why I'm struggling to do this video is because I really wanted this to be a surprise. What I'm doing here is gonna blow that surprise, and I can't go on anymore without updating you guys. Basically, we have been working on a new CaribbeanPod.com in the background for the past 3 months. We've ran into problems in developing a forum or a discussion group that we think is really needed or required on CaribbeanPod.com. We're working on it. Another week, maybe 2 weeks, we'll have it ready for you guys. So this new CaribbeanPod.com that's coming, bigger, better pictures, better presentation of recipes, that new forums where you can ask questions, we can share ideas and recipes, and where can we get something. You know, one of the things I get, one of the main questions I get is, Chris, where can I get such and such ingredient? And this is where, because I'm based in Canada, I'm based in Ontario, and I don't know, half the time I don't know where you're based. Now, it might be easy for me to locate pimento peppers in Toronto or in the backyard in my garden, but I don't know where you live. And all the questions I keep getting is, where can I get this, where can I get that, for instance. This way we can share those ideas. There will be a new way we present the recipe index as well, very vibrant, and it's going to be one of the key things we're going to focus on here is pictures and images and videos. And speaking about videos, we're going to have a video room on there where you can just sit back, boom, watch videos for hours and hours of all the recipe videos and the gallivanting videos and the recipe and the restaurant reviews and all those things. All those things would be available to you. It will be, the new CaribbeanPod.com will be a place where you would be proud to share the link to your family, your friends, all over the world, because it is going to be so well put together. You know, one of the things has happened to me personally over the last few years is there's been a lot of up-and-coming people doing the same thing that I'm doing here on YouTube, on the website, on Facebook, on Instagram, and everything else. And people started treating me and what I do as competition. I never saw myself as competition. There was never a competition. If for me personally, it was more about preserving the culinary culture of the Caribbean and sharing that with a global audience. From day one, all I wanted to do was be proud of where I'm from, proud of what we eat and what we cook, proud of the traditions, proud how we got there. Be it from our colonizers or our ancestors and stuff like that. And people started treating me like competition to the point where it's become kind of nasty at times. This new CaribbeanPod.com, I will hit hard. I will show you guys why CaribbeanPod.com has and continue to be the #1 resource for Caribbean culinary recipes. Culinary recipes. What am I saying now? By railing to myself, eh? The #1 resource online. I will hit hard on YouTube. I will hit hard on Facebook. I will hit hard on Instagram, because these are the places where I've developed a community, and it was all about the love for Caribbean food. That said, I will still continue to be the humble person that you guys know that I am. I will still have this this smile on my face, but no, I'm going to be treating this as a business now. It's sad. It's some of the people I even, you know, once I see somebody up and coming on YouTube or something, I always reach out and, hey, can I help you with this and all that? And some of these people have turned around now and made it into this big old competition. Not for me, but I will treat you back the same way you've treated me. I thank you guys for the patience. I thank you guys for the understanding. I do understand where all those emails and comments were coming from in regards to shutting down CaribbeanPod.com. No, we are not shutting down CaribbeanPod.com. No, it's not ready yet, but it will be soon. So in ending, thank you all so much for the continued support, for the love, and everything else. And remember, if you guys see me gallivanting about, come up and hit your boy a little, hey, how you doing now? Irie? Irie.